Hello Cancer, how are you? This is your July reading, July 2020 love readings. I've already shuffled these cards and let's see what you have in love situation. So we'll pick up 5 cards and this is 4 and this is 5. This is the 7 of Swords. For some of you, it's maybe you're feeling stuck. Your relationship is in a very, is stuck. Maybe this could also talk about a certain deceit, or it could talk about a cheating. Maybe the other person is cheating on you, or there is a this is also talking about an unfinished. Some of you are just stuck with no forward motion in love, Cancer. So this 7 of Swords talks about maybe the relationship also not being balanced, like not maybe the other person or you vice versa, not putting the wholehearted effort in making it beautiful, I mean to make it successful. So 7 of Swords for some of you. And then we have the Tower card. Definitely with this there is a sudden shake-up in the relationship. Maybe with this you realizing that this relationship will not work anymore. There is a fallout for some of you. With the Tower card, suddenly there's a shake-up. Shake-up usually happens when things will, the universe knows that it's not going to work for you. So there is a falling up. There could be a divorce, or there could be a separation. So this is it. Really sorry, but that's what I get in this card. And then we have the Moon. So some of you, because you are going through this difficult situation, there is a lot of stress, mental, emotional stress going on with you because of relationship fallout. Also it shows that some of you are going through a very emotionally stressful, but there are certain things still to be revealed. There is still something hidden which you are yet to know, or you will know in July. So it talks about ups and downs of your mental state, that you try to balance, and then there is an imbalance. You're thinking about all you get into the dark world wherein everything seems negative and sad, and this is what I can make from these cards. Now 2 of Cups. Now for some of you there is love. In this case, this love, some of you are taking your love situation to the next level. So it could be like you are in a relationship, so you're getting engaged or married, or the live-in partners, you're going to be as live-in partners. So it talks about the next stage of relationship. Maybe emotionally also you're getting much closer, and you feel that okay, this is the one for you. So, and it's like you have passion, you have love within you, both are into each other so much, and all the time you're thinking about yourself. So this is for some of you who are deeply in love with each other in present state, and you're soaked in each other's energy. For this 10 of Rods, this is a card of some of you are feeling burdened due to some relationship. I don't know what this, I need to just clarify this card, that what is this burden about. So 10 of cards talks about 10 of Rods. It talks about being burdened by a certain weight. So of course this is a love reading and it's talking about weight, but what kind of a weight? Okay, so this is 4 of Cups. So 4 of Cups talks about that there is something has happened to few of you in which you are not able to understand you are within yourself thinking about what happened, how it happened. You're so within yourself. So you do not know that what was going on. Also, for some of you, you feel burdened because there was an opportunity here which you missed out. You missed out an opportunity, and so you are feeling burdened. Maybe you could desire, were desiring for someone, and you knew that you couldn't reach out to them on time, and they went with someone else. So could be the feeling of losing an opportunity with your of love with your desirable person. This is what I feel. And some of you, with this I feel, retrograde time. For some of you, your ex, lovers could just resurface, and you could reconcile with this Lovers card, because Mercury in retrograde, and you could, take a fresh approach to the relationship from there. Also feels that, I feel, just a second. Yeah, so all these cards indicates that Cancer, there are certain situations which are happy. I feel for singles, there is new love from the Two of Cups. There is a new love coming to you for some of you, and you want to meet up this person, and you want to go for dinners, or virtually you want to connect to them by being on an online platform. So this is what I have for you, Cancer, for August 2020, July 2020 readings. See you for in August and 2020 love readings. So if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.